Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can insert a logo into CapCut PC and how you can basically blend it. So I'm just going to select import here and I'm going to find a logo. And then I'm just going to place it on top. I'll show you in a minute how to kind of like blend it in with your video. So I'm just going to put it on the top left corner, for instance. Go to blend and select any kind of blend mode that you want. For screen, it basically deletes the black part of your logo. For darken, it deletes the white part, and you can also adjust the opacity here. Or you can select soft light instead, and it's going to be both on there, but you can still adjust the opacity. So the logo will still be there, but it won't be super transparent. I mean super visible, and it's going to be more transparent. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!